Today we'll talk about prime factorization. Let's go for it. Find the prime factorization of 45. First of all, it says prime factorization. So I'll give you a quick recap of prime numbers. When we talk about prime numbers are the one divisible by 1 and itself. For example, we have 2. 2 is only divisible by 1 and itself. 2 is a prime number. Same is the case with 3. 3 is also a prime number. But when it comes to 4, 4 is divisible by 2. So that is not a prime number. 5 is a prime number. 6 divisible by 3, divisible by 2. There are no even numbers which are prime except 2. And you can watch the entire video on prime numbers. Now we'll do prime factorization. So we need to find factors of 45 which are prime. And we'll use the factor tree. So we have 45. Now what we'll do, we'll just write two numbers which multiply to 45. We can write any two numbers. Let's say you can write 45 is divisible by 3. We can write 3 times 15, and 45 is also divisible by 5. We can write 5 times 9. So I'll start with 5 times 9. Now 5 is a prime number. So we'll stop here. We've got the prime factor. Now we have 9. 9 is not a prime. 9 can be factored further. So 9 is 3 times 3. 3 times 3. And 3 is a prime number. So here we go. We get all the 3 primes. So now we can write 45 equals to 5 times 3 times 3. And to check the answer, we can always multiply them and check. 5 times 3 is 15. 15 times 3 is 45. And in case they ask you to write in the exponential form, we can write it as 5 times 3 square. 3 times 3 is 3 square. Let's try another one. Let's say we have prime factorization of 120. So we'll write 120. Now it has a 0. So one thing is for sure, it's divisible by 10. So easiest way, we can write 10 times 12. That is 120. Now nor 10 is a prime number, nor 12 is a prime number. We'll factor it further. 10 is 5 times 2. And both of them are primes, 5 and 2. So we'll mark them. We'll put them inside a square. Now we have 12. 12 can be further written as 2 times 6. So I'll write 2 times 6. Again, 2 is a prime number. I'll put it inside a square. 6. 6 is not a prime number. We'll factor it further. 6 can be written as 2 times 3. And 2 and 3 both are prime numbers. So we put them in the square. So now we'll write the prime factorization of 120. 120 equals to, we have 5 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. And if you want to write it in the exponential form, 5 times, we have 3 2's, so 2 raised to power 3 times 3. And it's always good to check your answer. 5 times 2 is 10. 2 times 2 is 4. Times 3. 10 times 4, 40. 40 times 3, 120. That means our answer is perfect. I hope you understood really well. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time. Please share and subscribe.